Hello and welcome to Johnny English. I'm John and I'm here to help you to speak English with confidence. I hope you've been watching my videos and I hope they've been helpful to you. Today we're going to speak about a particular problem, and it's probably one of the most often repeated mistakes that I hear when I speak to people. And that is when to use for and when to use since. What is the difference? Hopefully, after we've spoken, after you've watched this video, you'll be a little bit clearer on when we use which. So, the word for is about an amount of time. We use for to describe a period of time. It can be minutes, it can be days, it can be weeks, it can be months, it can be years. So I have lived in Poland for 5 years. In the summer, I like to go on holiday for 2 weeks. I have to go and speak to somebody, and I will be speaking to them for around half an hour. So we use the word for when we speak about amounts of time, and it doesn't matter how long that time is, we can use for to describe it. It can also be vague periods of time. For the weekend. I've lived here for ages. I've taught English for ages. I've been waiting for ages. Or I've been doing this for a long time. And I hope to be doing this for a long time. So it's about an amount of time. That's when we use for. We use since when we speak about a point of time. So I have lived in Poland since 2015. Specific point in the past was 2015, and I have lived here since then. The sun has been shining since 2 o'clock this afternoon. A specific point in time, 2 o'clock, and it's been sunny since then. It can continue till now. So I have been teaching English since I moved to Poland, and I am still teaching, so it's still continuing. Or it can be a specific event in the past. Okay, so since the Berlin Wall collapsed, we haven't remembered the problems that were associated with it. So it's a specific point in the past. It can never be used for the future. You can't say, I will be here since the end of March. I will be here since July. I will be here since a month. You can't ever say that. It can't be used for the future. It's always associated with past events. So hopefully that will help you to see how to use for and since. For is about an amount of time, unspecified, doesn't matter how long it is, or vague periods of time. And since is about specific points in the past. Since my birthday, I have felt really old. Since I have lived in Poland, I have felt really happy. So thanks again. I hope that's helped you. Now you know how to use for and since. And tune in again for our next video.